Hello, Ed people. Can we agree? Can we agree? Can we all agree? Hey, so it's Uzo here. And today I want to tell you a big secret about myself. I want to tell you a little bit about my background and why I'm doing what I'm doing. So of course, you guys know I'm all about the life breath or the life energy. And I want to make sure you are doing the embrace energy and letting it go. And you want to do it in a very sweet way, because I want you to breathe in the sweet prana or the life energy. So anyway, I want to give you a little bit of my background. So of course, I went to medical school. I worked in hospitals. I also worked in research. I worked in the pharmaceutical companies. And I worked on different compounds. Some of the compounds I worked on were antibiotics. And of course, I don't work in the pharmaceutical industry the way I used to work in it before, because I was frustrated. Because some of the things about the pharmaceutical industry is frustrating, of course. And if you look at antibiotics, the government puts a lot of bars before you can register an antibiotic for sale anywhere in the world. So that's a regulatory agency, and the FDA is a regulatory agency here in the United States. So for you to get approved to sell an antibiotic, of course, the cost of antibiotic can cost you $50, it could cost $5, it could cost thousands of dollars. Drugs can cost thousands of dollars for a complete dose of the drug. So for you to be able to sell a drug, you have to prove that the drug is safe, and you also have to prove that the drug is effective. And one of the reasons you want to prove that the drug is effective, there's what I call the placebo effect. So the placebo effect is like the mind effect. The mind is very, very powerful. So if you give somebody a pill and tell them it's an antibiotic, the mind will assume that it's an antibiotic, and the mind will make the body respond to whatever germs are in the body in such a manner that you will get better. So if you know, historically, during the colonial period, there were doctors who gave out sweets or gave out inactive compounds to patients, and they really did get better, because the mind is very, very powerful. So before they can allow you to sell a drug, they want you to give a placebo, which is a dummy, and give the actual compound, and want to look at which one turns out better. So of course, a lot of these antibiotics that are registered in the market, they turn out better than placebo. But they also come with a caveat, and the caveat is side effects. So I'm not gonna keep you for long on this topic, but the idea here is that these drugs have side effects, and one of the common side effects of antibiotics are gastrointestinal side effects, things like abdominal pain, and more importantly, things like diarrhea, and sometimes it can lead to damage to the GI system. And why do antibiotics do that? It's because antibiotics, they don't just go and kill the offending bacteria you want to get rid of. Sometimes they also kill the good bacteria. So, because in the gut, there's a lot of bacteria that help us digest food, maybe make some enzymes and things like that. So that's one of the side effects of antibiotics, is they can damage the commensals, or the microorganisms that live in the GI system. So what you want to do is, when you are sick, of course, the doctors want to make sure that you have a bacterial infection before they give you an antibiotic. Say you have a sore throat, because viruses can cause the symptoms. Sometimes doctors do the strep test to make sure you don't have a viral infection. So if you are strep positive, then they are more inclined to give you an antibiotic. The reason they do all this is that they want to reduce the number of antibiotics prescribed, because these antibiotics have side effects. Now, you're not going to go to the doctor if you're not feeling sick. Of Of course, the first thing there is you're feeling sick and you go to the doctor because you need an antibiotic to see if it can make you better faster. But is there a way for you not to even get very sick at all? And this is one of the reasons we want to enroll you in earth breathing, because this breathing meditation is shown scientifically to increase the ability of your immune system to mount a defense against bacteria. And it doesn't have any known side effects. So one of the reasons you want to enroll in Embrace Energy, let go, is to help build a stronger immune system so that you can avoid antibiotics. And these antibiotics, as you know, can affect the bacteria which is in your gastrointestinal system. These microorganisms, they are called your microbiome. So it's very, very important that you protect them by avoiding antibiotics. And one of the ways you want to avoid antibiotics is to be healthier by adhering to a lifestyle change, which includes meditation. So Embrace Energy, let go. It's very, very important. So for this 2020, we're going to embrace energy and we're going to let go for a healthier body, a healthier mind, and a healthier immune system.